Hi. Now we're come back. Well, mm, okay, today I'm gonna put you on a PvP server where I'm not practically rich. Where? You should PvP someone. Should we use this? Okay, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. Kid souls. Where is it? Oh no, not that. There. Kid base. There we go. Simply sell it. Please guys, give me some Ivy server. Okay, we got so much man. Guys, welcome to server. Good enough for already. I'm crack accident. Anything really good 1 point for the server. Please comment the IP of this server for rating a PvP. Please give me crack IP server. Oh, this server IP will be commented. Oh, I'll put it in the description. Please like and subscribe.